Hi. You're gonna be my husband.
Pre-kiss.
Pre-kiss! That's our last kiss. That's our last kiss as single people. Whoa!
Kaila and Alejandro, since the start of your relationship, your friends, family, and everyone you've come in contact with have watched you grow closer and closer together as you built a life, a future, and even a house together. I've never been amongst so much beauty in all my life. I try to slow down and capture moments like this. There's so many beautiful moments with you. I can still see you as a stranger at the head of the table the night we met. I see you waiting for me at the airport the first weekend we had. I want to stay in these moments for as long as possible.
I can't believe I'm standing in front of the most perfect man, vowing to be your wife, and you my husband. I love you so deeply that the word doesn't even begin to cover. It's a love that doesn't ever reach a peak, but a love that grows greater with every passing day. The night we met was purely out of fate. Everything lined up perfectly for us to be at the right place, at the right time, and in the right frame of mind. It is said there is no perfect person, but you are perfect for me. The way you love me is what fairy tales are made of.
That will be what happens.
Kaila and Alejandro Colmenero, I now proudly pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
You've given me the greatest gift in my life, Alejandro. True love, a best friend, a husband, yourself. I believe in you, and I believe in us. On this day, September 27th, 2019, I promise forever, I will love you long after death do us part. I love you. And all the other corny things.